Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 easy and delicious summer salads. If you have a potluck to go to or any kind of summer gathering that you're going to be having food at, these 5 summer salads are all huge hits that you can take to any kind of potluck. If you're new to my channel, my name is Molly. Thanks so much for being here. I share with you all of my easy and delicious recipes, so make sure you subscribe. Let me show you these 5 amazing summer salads.
So this is going to be a mango salad. These mangoes are so good. So I have diced up the 2 mangoes into some small pieces. I'm going to add in a can of corn. So I will drain that before I add it in. And then I'm going to add in a can of black beans, and I'm going to wash and drain the black beans. I have an orange bell pepper that I'm going to dice up. I love this salad because it's full of bright colors, which is always fun for summertime. I have a red onion that I'm going to use half of. So I'm going to dice up into some small pieces, half of the red onion. I also have cherry tomatoes, which are very delicious in summertime, so perfectly in season. So I have just cut them into some smaller pieces so that it's more bite-sized. I have ground cumin. I have some olive oil and some lemon juice as well. So I'm just going to mix all of these ingredients together, and they are all just a great combination. They all complement each other really well and perfect for a summer side salad, side dish, to any barbecue party or potluck function you're going to. Just really good, and this is a huge hit. I just love the mango in it. It makes it so sweet and really just delicious. So give it a stir and it's ready to go. I'm going to make a broccoli salad. I have my broccoli. I'm using a cup of mayonnaise. I have half of a diced up red onion. I have sunflower seeds, about 1/3 of a cup. I have dried cranberries, a half of a cup. I have some apple cider vinegar, and I have some cooked bacon as well. So I'm going to dice up this cooked bacon with my kitchen scissors into some small pieces. I love to make this broccoli salad first thing in the morning before taking it to a function or serving it so that the mayonnaise can really set in to the broccoli. You can even make it the night before, but definitely try and make it a couple hours before so that the mayonnaise can really soak into the broccoli, and it just makes it so delicious. The bacon and the dried cranberries are such a good combination. This broccoli salad is such a huge hit. I'm going to do a macaroni salad. So I'm going to boil my macaroni noodles, and I'm just going to cook them how the box says, depending on the package of noodles you have. Once they've cooled a little bit, I'm going to add in a cup of mayonnaise. And this is another salad that you can make a few hours before to let that mayonnaise really soak in to these noodles. I have some diced pickles that I have just cut up. I have some diced olives as well, half of a red onion, and I have pimentos, so some diced up pimentos, 1 can of those. I have some salt and some pepper to taste. So this is one of my favorite summer salads, just delicious. It makes a very big serving. So if you're serving a crowd or going to a function where there's quite a few people, this is really great to bring because there is plenty for everyone. And it is so good. I'm now going to add in some hard-boiled eggs that I'll cut into some pieces. And I like to add these closer to the end so that when you're stirring it a lot with the mayonnaise, it doesn't break up into too small of pieces. But I'm just going to dice up my hard-boiled egg, which I absolutely love hard-boiled egg in salads. So it really makes this one for me. So give it a stir, and this salad is so good, huge hit, very easy and simple, which if you've been around my channel, you know I love easy recipes. So this next one is very easy. This is a Frito corn salad. So these are the chili cheese Frito chips. So make sure they're chili cheese. I have 2 cans of drained corn. I have half of an onion diced up, and I like to dice it really small And I am going to add in a cup of cheddar cheese and a cup of mayonnaise. So very simple. And once this is all ready to go, I will set it aside, and then I'm going to wait to put in the Frito chips until I'm ready to serve this, because you want those chips to be as crunchy as they can be when you're ready to serve. So you can make everything else before the function, but right before you serve this, add in those chili cheese Fritos, and everyone will be begging for the recipe for this, and they won't believe really how easy it is. I get so many compliments every time I bring this to a function, so it will be a huge, huge hit. So give those chili cheese Fritos a stir, and then this will be ready to go, and it is so, so good. I'm going to do a chicken salad. I love chicken salad, especially summertime. You can serve this on lettuce cups. You can serve this plain. You can serve it with crackers, croissants, sandwich, anything really. You can serve it on top of a salad. So many different things. So I have my rotisserie chicken all shredded up. I have some diced up celery. I have dried cranberries. I have mayonnaise, and I have some dill seasoning. So very simple and really, really good. It's perfect with the rotisserie chicken. You can use poached chicken as well, but rotisserie chicken is just really great in this. And the dried cranberries give it a really awesome sweetness. Sometimes I even add in some diced up grapes as well for a little sweetness on this one. Really good, really easy, nice and light and fresh for summertime. So it is a perfect side dish to bring to any kind of function. And I love having this for lunch as well. If I'm just making a big batch to meal prep for lunch, this one is really good to serve for my week of lunches as well. So I hope you enjoyed these 5 summer salads and summer side dishes that you can take to barbecue parties. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I will see you all in my next video.